Build anything with Google Stitch and Google AI Studio. Here's how. You can build full apps in 10 minutes without code. I'm talking landing pages, CRMs, member dashboards for the AI Profit Boardroom, all from simple prompts. This changes everything for business owners. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Today, I'm showing you something wild. 2 Google tools that let you build real apps without writing code. I'm talking about Google Stitch and Google AI Studio, and I'm going to build 2 apps live right now to prove it works. First app is a member dashboard for the AI Profit Boardroom. Second app is a lead tracker for our community. Both built in under 10 minutes each. No developers, no expensive software, just prompts and clicks. Before we start, here's what makes this different. Most no-code tools are clunky. They lock you in. They cost hundreds per month. These are free. They export clean code, and they use Google's AI to do the heavy lifting. That's the game changer. Let me show you exactly how this works. We're starting with Google Stitch. This is the design tool. You type what you want, and it builds the interface. Then we take that design into Google AI Studio. That's where it becomes a real working app with databases and features. All right, let's build the first app. I'm going to create a member dashboard for the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where members log in, see their progress, access courses, and track their wins. Something that normally takes weeks to build. I'm opening Google Stitch right now. It's at stitch.withgoogle.com, completely free, no sign-up walls. I'm typing this prompt. Listen carefully because the prompt matters. Here's what I'm typing. Modern member dashboard for AI Profit Boardroom. Login page with logo and email field. Main dashboard shows welcome message, progress tracker, course modules grid, community feed, and quick stats cards. Use purple and black theme. Make it clean and professional, mobile responsive. I hit enter and watch this. It's generating the entire interface right now. Takes about 15 seconds and boom, there it is. A full dashboard design, multiple screens, professional looking, ready to edit. Now here's where it gets good. I can click any element and change it, colors, text, layout, everything. I'm changing the purple to match our exact brand color. I'm adding the AI Profit Boardroom logo. I'm tweaking the course module cards to show real course names. This live editing is insane. It's like having a designer working in real time, no back and forth, no waiting, just instant changes, and everything stays connected. The design system updates automatically. All right, the design looks perfect. Now I need to export it. I'm clicking the export button. It gives me options, HTML with Tailwind CSS, React code, Figma file, even just images. I'm grabbing the HTML and a screenshot. We need both for the next step. And real quick, if you want to learn how to save time and automate your business with tools like Google Stitch and AI Studio, now we move to Google AI Studio. This is where the magic happens. I'm going to astudio.google.com, also free. This tool turns designs into working apps, real functionality, real databases, real features. I'm starting a new app builder project. It asks what I want to build. I'm uploading the screenshot from Stitch. I'm pasting the HTML code, and now I'm writing another prompt. This one tells it what features to add. Here's my prompt. Build a functional member dashboard from this design. Add user authentication with email login. Create a database for course progress tracking. Add real-time community feed that pulls from our Discord. Include analytics cards showing member stats. Make the course modules clickable and track completion. Add a profile section where members update their info. I hit generate and it's building the entire app. This takes about 2 minutes. It's writing all the backend code, setting up databases, connecting APIs, creating the logic, everything. And it's done. Look at this, a fully working member dashboard. I can click login and it works. I can navigate between sections. The course modules load, the stats update. This is a real app. Let me test it live. I'm creating a test account, typing an email, setting a password, logging in, and I'm inside the dashboard. I can see courses, I can track progress, I can view community posts. Everything works. This would normally take a developer weeks. We just built it in 10 minutes for free. That's not an exaggeration. That's what just happened. Now, let me show you something even more practical, a lead tracking system. Every business needs this. The AI Profit Boardroom gets hundreds of inquiries every week. We need to track them, follow up, and convert them to members. Back to Google Stitch, new project. Here's my prompt. Lead tracker CRM for AI Profit Boardroom. Dashboard shows all leads in a table with name, email, status, source, and date added. Add a big button to add new leads. Include filter options for lead status. Show analytics cards for total leads, conversion rate, and pending follow-ups. Use a clean business theme with blue and white. Make it fast and simple. Generating now, and there it is. A full CRM interface, table layout, filter buttons, add lead form, analytics cards, everything I asked for. I'm making quick edits, changing the status options to match our sales process: new lead, contacted, interested, joined, not interested. I'm adjusting the table columns. I'm adding our company colors. Done. Exporting to HTML and screenshot again, moving to AI Studio, uploading the design. Here's my new prompt: build a working lead tracker CRM from this design, add a database for storing lead information, create forms for adding and editing leads, add email validation, include search and filter functionality, add ability to export leads to CSV, track timestamps for all actions, send email notifications when new leads are added, make it secure with user authentication, generating the app now. This one has more features, so it takes a bit longer, maybe 3 minutes, still incredibly fast. Done. Let me test this one too. I'm logging in, I'm clicking add new lead, filling out the form, name, email, source notes, saving it, and it appears in the table instantly. I can click to edit. I can filter by status. I can search by name. I can export to CSV. This is a real CRM. We built it in minutes, completely free, and we own the code. We can host it anywhere. We can customize it however we want. Here's what makes this so powerful. You're not limited to templates. You can build anything you imagine: customer portals, booking systems, inventory trackers, course platforms, internal tools, client dashboards, anything. And because you get the actual code, you can hand it to a developer to customize further, or you can host it yourself, or you can just use it as is. The flexibility is unmatched. Let me give you some pro tips. First, be specific in your prompts. Don't say build me a dashboard, say build me a member dashboard with course modules, progress tracking, and community feed using purple theme. Specific prompts get better results. Second, use the export options wisely. If you're technical, grab the React code. If you want to keep designing, export to Figma. If you just need something working fast, use the HTML and let AI Studio handle it. Third, iterate quickly. The design doesn't have to be perfect in Stitch. Get it close, export it, build it in AI Studio, test it, then go back and refine. Fast iterations beat perfect planning. Fourth, think about real business problems. Don't build random stuff. Build tools that save you time: lead trackers, client portals, booking systems, internal dashboards, things you'd actually use. Fifth, combine this with other AI tools. Use ChatGPT to write your prompts. Use Claude to review your exported code. Use Midjourney for custom images in your designs. Stack the tools. Now let me show you how the AI Profit Boardroom uses this. We build custom tools for our members all the time: workflow dashboards, progress trackers, resource libraries. We use Stitch and AI Studio to prototype these in hours instead of weeks. We're not waiting on developers. We're not paying thousands per project. We're just building. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 40,000 members who are crushing it with AI. These tools are changing how fast you can move. Before, building software was slow and expensive. Now it's fast and free. That's a massive shift. The businesses that adapt win, the ones that don't get left behind. I'm building tools like this every single week, some for the AI Profit Boardroom, some for Goldie agency clients, some just to test ideas. The barrier to building is gone. If you can describe it, you can build it. Try this yourself today. Go to stitch.withgoogle.com, type a prompt, export the design, go to aistudio.google.com, build the app, test it, ship it. You can do this in your lunch break. Start simple. Build a contact form, build a landing page, build a simple tracker, get comfortable with the workflow, then scale up to bigger projects. The future is builders who move fast. Tools like this make everyone a builder. You don't need to code, you don't need to design, you just need to know what problem you're solving. That's it for today. Comment below what you're going to build first: